Hello guys, today we are playing scrims with him, and then him, and then him, and then me.
I'm dying.
So, let's start. Guys, count to 5. I don't know how to play. Do you count to 10 or 5?
You count to 10.
Alright, count to 10. We're gonna go run now.
Bro, Mr. Teammate, get over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay,
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop.
Come here. Stand on the picnic table. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
I swear, if I get tagged in the first 3 seconds, I'm gonna kill myself.
7,
Stop the cap.
9, 10.
Ew!
Brother, what's that?
You're never gonna find me. Guys, they found me.
You go for
Oh my god. This round isn't just over yet. What if we played 1v1v1v1? What? What if we just play tag? No. This game's getting a little old.
Stop the cap.
Oh, then we're cooked.
We're not cooked. I'll be the last one, don't worry. I hope. As soon as I say that, you come for me.
What the shit?
You know what? So I'm not gonna be the last one alive, but I'm surely not gonna be the first one tagged. Let's hope.
Oh my god.
Anybody wanna suck pop?
Who just said that?
Not me.
Anyone wanna play mini game?
I think Green said that. Green, you wanna explain yourself? Green, why'd you say everybody was suck balls? Why'd you say that? Care to explain?
I didn't say that.
Care to explain, buddy?
No, I don't care.
Okay, then you should care, because you're in big trouble. Oh, I hit my balls. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god. I have to deal with it now. Ah, I hit my fan. Frick. I'm too tall for this game! Even though I'm like 5'3". Crazy. Alright, my room's just short. Yeah. Why are you talking so quiet? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you, bro. Why are you being so quiet?
Guess what?
What?
Their
YouTube videos smell like dog food.
Yep, this video's over, guys.